What is Ramadan? People say, we're fasting. That's only a part of it. It is the month of peace, the month of tranquility, the month of cure, the month of goodness, the month of forgiveness, the month of mercy, the month of attaining paradise, the month of the Quran, the month of revelation, the month of celebration of being a Muslim, where we practice self-restraint. We don't just do what we want, we do what the Almighty has ordained. Subhanallah.
Why Ramadan is important. Number 1, it is the best of month. Number 2, the Quran was revealed in this month. Number 3, it is a month of blessing, mercy, and forgiveness. Number 4, the doors of heaven are opened. Number 5, the doors of hell are closed. Number 6, the Shaitan is chained up. Number 7, rewards are multiplied from 700 times. Number 8, there is one night, Laylatul Qadr, that is better than 1,000 months.